Day 10 in New Zealand begins in Dunedin and one very important mission breakfast. If you're in Dunedin, beam me up bagels is a must. Simple food done brilliantly.
Welcome to the Chinese garden.
Outside the Chinese garden, a free Tai Chi class was in full flow. Slow, peaceful movements against the cool Dunedin morning. We couldn't resist joining in.
The charges per adult is 13 New Zealand dollars. So we haven't been to China yet. So let's see how the Chinese garden looks like.
This garden is one of only a few authentic Chinese classical gardens in the southern hemisphere, designed stone by stone using traditional methods. Water for calm, rocks for strength, plants for balance. It is not just a garden, it's a living piece of philosophy. The Otago Museum, completely free. This stone is believed to bring good luck, and of course, we had to try it. Maori heritage to natural history, it is one of those places you could spend hours in. Packed with history, culture, and stories of early New Zealand.
Dunedin, goodbye Dunedin. It was a wonderful one night stay and we could manage to see at least 4 to 5 attractions, which by now you must have already seen. And we are on our way to Chaslands, which is roughly approximately 150 kilometers. It will take us probably 4 hours or maybe a little more, because on our way we are going to have a couple of stops to watch some interesting things, which definitely you will come to know. And the weather is pleasant, not very cold currently.
This is New Zealand's second biggest river.
But the weather had other plans for the day.
ओवा का गांव है, दोपहर का वक्त है और भाई साहब इधर बिजली नहीं है, सब कुछ लफड़ा हो गया और बंद हो गया दुकान सब दोपहर के 1 बजे.
Night storm had knocked out electricity and internet across large parts of the South Island. Entire towns were shut down. On the way to Purakaunui Falls, trees were down everywhere. No warning signs, no cleanup yet, just raw nature reminding us who is in charge.
So we have come to watch a waterfall, apparently 3-tier waterfall, Purakaunui. And just 2 days back there was a cyclone and power outage and a lot of trees have fallen here. We had to take a detour and come from underneath the fallen trees. थोड़ा सा रिस्की एडवेंचर है, बट वी सेड ऑल द वे हम लोग यहाँ पे आए हैं. वी हैव टू वॉच दिस वाटरफॉल. सो दिस इज द फॉरेस्ट, मैसिव ह्यूज ट्रीज एंड सम ट्रीज हैव फॉलन देयर. बहुत बड़े बड़े पेड़. डिड यू हियर समथिंग फॉलिंग? गॉड, दैट्स डेंजरस हियर. You can hear the water. You should remember this. Oh, no, there's only one road.
Rain, mist, silence, and the sound of water crashing through the valley. One of those moments that makes the struggle disappear.
Papatoa Scenic Reserve.
Briefly at Papatoa Hill Scenic Reserve, wide open views, fresh air, and that wild South Island feeling.
have reached a Whistling Frog Lodge for tonight. We are going to be staying here. This is in Chaslands. Our rooms are like this because of power outage. Our original bungalow जो हमने book किया था वहाँ पे power नहीं है, so they said they are giving us this room, single room, with just the bed, bathroom. Yes, just switch off the lights as far as possible. थोड़ा सा हमने भी कंजर्वेशन.
जूता चेंज करें फिर.
कहाँ चल रहे हैं?
McLean Falls required a short but steep walk, about 103 steps down through the forest.
It's a 40-minute down, up walk. Drizzling a bit. We decided before it becomes too dark and going to rain also whole night. So let's cover.
And when we reached the bottom, we had the entire place to ourselves. Powerful, wide, and absolutely breathtaking. One of the highlights of the entire trip. From peaceful gardens to storm adventures, waterfalls, blackouts, and quiet moments in the wild, Day 10 was unpredictable and unforgettable. With full hearts and full plates, we wrapped up Day 10. Tomorrow, the road takes us to Te Anau.